In our previous class we discussed the topic, the destiny of man in God's creation. In today's class we will be learning the topic, marriage, Christian marriage. Definition and types of marriage. Marriage is a union between a mature man and woman as husband and wife to raise a family. The Christians understand marriage as oneness of the man and woman. That is why they say two persons joined together to become one flesh. The Holy Bible makes us to see that they are no more two but one flesh. Marriage also involves a legal relationship between a man and woman as stipulated in the Constitution of the country. Marriage was instituted and ordained by God for procreation and fulfillment. Other types of marriage. Common law marriage. This is the type of which has a legal document to back it up. The couple will have to sign the document in a registry in their local environment in the presence of at least two witnesses. Monogamy or monogamous marriage. This is the marriage between a man and a woman. Usually, a Christian marriage is expected to be monogamous. Polygamy or polygamous marriage. This is the marriage between a man and more than one wife. This means that the man can marry two or more wives. Polyandry. This is kind of marriage which allows a woman to marry more than one husband. This type of marriage is not common, it is only practiced in some parts of the world. Gay marriage. It is the marriage between a man and a man. This marriage does not produce children. Levirate marriage. This type of marriage occurs when a man marries the wife of his dead brother. This is a tradition in some part of the world, especially in Africa, but the tradition is dying down. Sororate marriage. This is the type of marriage whereby a man marries the sister of his dead wife. The Christian marriage is the voluntary union of a man and woman according to the scripture. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.